Thanks for choosing BlackVue to provide you with the ultimate peace of mind. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of BlackVue's DR590X tamper-proof mount. Here's a look at the components we'll use for this installation. If it is your first installation of the camera, remove the original mount by pressing the lock button and pulling the camera. Refer to the front camera installation video for wiring instructions. Proper placement of your camera is in the center of the windshield, just below the rear view mirror, facing forward. We recommend powering up your camera and connecting using the BlackVue app with Wi-Fi Live View to confirm your lens orientation is optimal. Wipe the area with the alcohol pad to ensure it's clean and dry before mounting. Next, take the left piece of the tamper-proof mount and slide it on the front camera until it clicks in place. Now, peel the adhesive tape from the mount case and press it firmly against the glass. Reconnect the power adapter, auxiliary camera, and accessories if any. Power on your camera to make sure the connection was successful. Then, secure the right piece of the tamper-proof case using the two longer screws and provided wrench. Finally, secure the shorter screw on the left piece and tighten it to lock the angle of the camera. For more information, visit BlackVue.com.